Hello. Welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. It's Seasons Week here at Someday Farm, here at today's Tàijíquán Tip. So thank you for uh, your financial contributions, a buck or two here or there, $10 every so often, one-time $50, anything like that helps. Of course, patreon.com/somedayfarm is a great way to just regularly support me, $4 a month or something like that, whatever you can manage. So today I'm considering, as the Taoists would consider the value of the seasons in and of themselves, and the value of the seasons as metaphor, as a way for me to come to understand a breath cycle. Not necessarily different types of breathing, although we could do that. I'm thinking more of the breath cycle. We have an inhalation and exhalation. Maybe you see the breath cycle as having 3 or 4 or more parts. Most people will at least have the 2, so that's good enough. But I'm just kind of considering the breath cycle to be each part of the breath cycle is a season, right? And maybe the inhale has the first half of the inhalation and the second half of the exhalation. And I kind of feel like the first half is the spring and the second half is the summer. The exhale, the first half of the exhale is the autumn, right? It's becoming bare and empty. And then the winter is the last half of the exhalation where I arrive at empty. Or perhaps I just see it as a couple seasons. Perhaps I am aware of the period in between the inhalation and the exhalation, and the period between the exhalation and the inhalation. At any rate, considering the seasons of our breath may allow us a deeper, broader, more granular awareness of, and perhaps appreciation for, valuing of the breath and the whole of the breath cycle, because it's all about cycles, isn't it? So thank you very much. I wish you a snake eating its tail, an Ouroboros, or an Enso, if you like, something cyclic like a breath or a life. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, sharing, commenting, subscribing. Thank you also for remembering that today's Tàijíquán Tip is based on tips. This last image will help you find me online.